guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to play that blue song on our flute. Okay, so this is an easy flute tutorial and notation is easy and it has only F sharp theorema. Okay, so let's see how to play this step by step. Before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this, and the notation you can get it from my blog. Okay, link in the description, so check it. And let's move to the tutorial part. Okay, so first line goes like okay, re ga pa sa ni da ma ma pa da pa re ne sa re ma pa. In full notation you have to play theorema, there's no shuddhama. Okay, so theorema every time. Re ga pa sa ni da ma ma pa da pa re ne sa re ma pa. Okay, one time. Okay, and then re ga pa sa ni da ma re sa ni pa 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 dha da dha ni 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 ma 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 ga. Once again. Okay, that part is easy. And then starting from lower pa. Okay, pa ga re ga re ni sa. Once again. Pa ga re ni sa ni da pa. Pa ga re ni sa ni da pa. Okay. Ga re pa ni da pa pa. Ga re pa ni da pa pa. Okay, and then re sa ni da pa pa ni re ni. Once again, from the beginning. Okay. Da pa pa ni re ni pa pa ni re ga re ni da pa. Okay, pa da ni re ni ga re da ni pa. Pa da ni re ni ga re da ni pa. Okay. Pa 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 pa. Okay. Tu 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 tu, like that. Okay. And then re pa pa ga ma pa da re ni da. Starting from higher re. Okay, higher re. Re pa pa ga ma pa da re ni da. Ni da 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 pa ga. Ga ma pa. Re pa pa ga ma pa da re ni da ni notes. Okay, same time, same lines goes repeating. And then re ni re ga re sa ni, da pa, re ni re ga re sa ni, da pa, ni re da ni pa, ga re pa, ga re sa pa pa. Once again. So that's it. This one is a kind easy one, so I hope you guys easily learn to play this one through this video. So if you have any other request, so you can ask me, so I can make tutorial videos for you. And so let's meet in another tutorial video. Until that, keep playing, keep practicing. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and like my video and comment what you think about this. So let's meet in another tutorial video. Until that, keep playing, keep practicing. Thank you for watching.